ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಉಂಟು. ಇನ್ನೂ ಯಾರು ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಲೌಡಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಇರೋದು.
ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್.
ಸರ್ ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ ಭಾರತಿ ಬುರ್ಲಿ. Hello everyone.
Good evening to one and all. And today we have come to online live stream. So just we are going to discuss about very fascinating video. And recently we uploaded very interesting video, short movie. Anybody, any guesses? Name of the short movie?
If you know the name of the short movie, only write the name of that movie. Haunted House.
Wow, fantastic, fantastic. Which thing you liked the most in that video, in that short movie? Sir, you know, students are very curious about lighting the candle with the help of water. Can you reason out, sir? Can you tell the reason, exact reason, how we lit the candle by using water?
Even you too know that the reason how to turn on the candle even in the water, that diya. You know very well. Can you explain anyone? Because just is a simple science. So even you can turn on the diya in the water, not using oil. Using water you can turn on the diya.
Sir, better you can tell the reason, sir, exact. What is the science behind lighting the candle by using water, sir?
So can anyone guess how to turn on the diya using water? So if you know, then kindly comment what science is hidden in that. Whether water is important, diya is important, or that wick.
Any other chemical substances, sir?
Wick is important. Any guesses?
Children, suppose if I give one small wick in your hand, would you like to burn that wick by using water? Say yes or no. Just write your answer in comment box. Say, example, small wick is in your hand. Small wick is in your hand and just you are going to put on the candle. Is it possible by using water? Yeah, sir, really?
Wax and camphor in the wick. Yes.
Fantastic, fantastic. Lovely response. So, fantastic answer has come from our viewer, sir. Srinivas, very good, very good. So, fine. How do you prepare that wick to burn with the help of water?
Srinivas, how you prepare? He watched a complete movie.
Yes.
That's why he is able to answer.
Wow, I think you might have observed complete mini movie, right? Just imagine yourself how we have prepared that wick. short answer, you can comment. You can write answer in comment box. We'll come to know immediately. Any guesses, students? No, this is just friendly discussion. And just we are going to highlight the specific information about science, hidden science. Any guesses? Sir, better you brief out, sir. How we have prepared? Vic.
See, to turn on the diya even in the water, just you need wax and camphor. So first you need to melt that wax and camphor, and just you have to dip that cotton wick
Yes.
in that solution for a few minutes, maybe 30 to 40 minutes. Then the cotton wick will absorb all the wax and that wax, that is camphor. And when it dry, no, that wax, that is camphor, it will give waterproof coating. And you know very well that candle, it will help for burning process. And few mantravadi or tantravadi, they uses this technique and they fool you and saying that something is there in your house. So that is a trick. And one more trick, can you tell me what we used in that haunted house?
Just madam, NavinRaj Teachers Media
One more
link.
Three tricks we used.
NavinRaj Teachers Media.
So one trick is over. Second trick, can you name?
ಅದು ಬೇರೆ ಮೇಡಮ್ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಈಗ ಲೈವ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮಿಂಗ್ ಬಂದು ಸಾಕು ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ಈಗ ನಡೆದಿದೆ ಮೇಡಮ್ 7ರಿಂದ ಈಗ NavinRaj Teachers Media ಬಂದು.
Second trick, the mantravadi used lemon turns red. Okay. How can you make in your home? How can you turn that lemon red when you cut?
Children, if I give raw lemon and I tell you to make that raw lemon into red colored lemon, once you cut that lemon into 2 pieces, and is it possible to find red color immediately? It's not possible. So then behind this red color, scientific fact is there, scientific concept is there. Sir, you can brief out, sir. What we have done, sir?
So they know very well.
Wow.
If you watched, then you are going to tell immediately. How can you turn that red?
Can you guess?
Injection. You can put paint.
Fantastic, fantastic.
So it is very difficult to put the injection. So instead of injection, you can go for other methods also. But injection is good. You can just inject the red color into that particular lemon, and they inject and give you. So that's why it will turn red.
Yeah.
So one more.
Yeah,
Third thing.
And you might have seen in that Devadamane video, right? Short movie or else haunted house. In that video, even Mantravadi, Aghoranatha Mantravadi enters in between after interval. When we approach that Mantravadi, he lifts pot with the help of stick by inserting grains. Rice grains. So, is it possible to lift out that pot along with the rice grain by taking help of small stick? What is the science hidden behind that experiment? Any guesses? Even I give one tumbler, I give one stick, and I give you rice grain, and I tell you to lift it. Is it possible to lift by you all students? What is the science behind it? Any guesses? Your comments are most welcome. Right? Just whatever information you know, Just you can write in comment box. In short, we'll come to know about that information. Any guesses, students? Any guesses? Just Mantravadi enters and he lifts the pots, and that pot will be completely filled with grain rice, right?
In the stick, a gripper was there. Wrong. In the stick, gripper was there. Even if gripper was not there, also you can lift. So no need of gripper. Even plain stick also you can insert and you can lift that pot. So gripper is not important, so much important here. Another technique is, another science concept is there.
Okay, students, I give you all clue, and you can tell answer. It is matter is anything which occupies space, has mass, volume, and density. I repeat, matter is anything which occupies in the space, which has mass, volume, and density. But among these states of 5 matters, one state we chosen in our video. So any guesses? There will be a compact arrangement of molecule where there is no space between the molecules, and even mass and density will be very high. What would you like to say about that state, children? Guess and write in comment box. There is a compact arrangement of molecule. This is called as free arrangement. This is called as a moderate arrangement. This is called as compact arrangement. And this compact arrangement says about one state. Any guesses, students? Any guesses? There is a compact arrangement of molecule where there won't be any space, where intermolecular space will be less.
So even we can remove air out of that container. We can remove complete air from that container, and so that rice grains can be compactly arranged together, and so that you can lift that stick. So here also one concept he wrote, air inside the glass. They removed air inside the glass. That is
fantastic, fantastic. Lovely assumption, students. Very good. Good students.
And even you can try in your home. Take one small tumbler and one stick. Fill the full of grains, rice grains you use, or any other grains also you can use, and try to experiment it. So Srinivas tried. Will you get the result? Will you able to lift that? Srinivas.
Okay, did you get correct result, Srinivas?
It was working good. You
Wow.
learned one concept and you are safe. No one can cheat you in your future. So many mantravadi they are trying this only.
Almost all mantravadis who are going to execute their tasks or else execute some works, then what happens? They knows very well scientific concepts. So whoever are completely imbibed with the scientific facts, concepts, definitely they are going to get many more compliments from everybody. So science is very important. And
So only rice or other grains. You can use other grains also. Same concept you can try with other grains also. It will work. The thing is you should do properly. That's it. So any solid.
I said one more thing. Just I would like to give one important significant information. What our student says, we'll see, sir. Children, you all are habituated to drink cold drinks. Do you like cold drinks?
Say how many of you like cold drinks? Write yes in the comment. How many of you like cold drinks?
Sir, I too like Pepsi, sir.
So
How about you, sir?
So even I too like some extent.
Some extent, sir.
Yes, some extent.
But I don't like extreme level of drinking cold drinks, sir.
So next concept is, who likes cold drinks? If you like cold drinks, say yes. Even you can mention the name also, which cold drinks you want, which cold drinks you like.
Sir,
there is one concept. So I like Mountain Dew.
Sir, I
So
like
like that.
Pepsi, sir.
Uh,
How about you all, students?
you all.
Which one?
Lag. Srinivas, what is that? Tang.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That is also a kind of drinks. But, sir, one point is there, sir. Just we are going to discuss about that point. Ourselves as well as our students, sir. Cold drinks kills our brain cells. Is it myth or is it science?
The question is, cold drinks will damage your brain cells. Is it myth or any scientific reason is there behind this? So you need to think and tell me.
Okay, we'll give it, sir, 1 minute.
You can take your time and tell me cold drinks. So we told it will kill your brain cells. It will damage your brain cells. Is it myth or science? If it is science, then you need to explain how it is going to kill the brain cells. If it is myth, then leave it. Reason you have to tell. Yes, Siddhant. Reason. Science reason. Yes, scientific only.
Just as 1 point, only 1 point.
1 or 2 points you can comment. According to science, it will kill your brain cells. So we told, is it myth or science? So if it is myth, then we'll leave here only. If it is science, then you need to explain why it will kill and how it will kill. What may be the reason behind or what may be the science behind. So think, take your time.
Sir, what did you say about the topic title? Cold drinks?
Cold drinks kill our brain cells. So some are telling myth. So myth.
Myth or science?
Think before commenting. Think, because everyone likes cold drinks and this is the best season to drink the cold drinks.
The moment when you come out from the house, you like to have cold drinks. You would like to have different kinds of cold drinks. But students, you know, if you start addicting to cold drinks for longer duration, what happens? What happens?
So Srinivas is saying preservatives will damage our brain. Okay.
Fantastic point.
1 point I can consider. Preservative added in the cold drink.
Fantastic. Any other guesses, students? Any other points?
So some people are joining from GSS.
Okay. Hearty welcome to students from JSS school. We welcome you all. We are very much happy to welcome you all. Students, just we set one topic for just discussion for 2 minutes. Cold drinks damages our brain cells. What would like to say? JSS school students, hearty welcome to all students from various institutions.
Even KLE students also, they are sending KLE.
NavinRaj Teachers Media always give preference to kids from all schools. KLE institution, JSS school and Sakre school, almost all students have joined, and we are very much happy to receive to our live stream. Thank you very much, children, for attending live stream.
So some students are telling it contains carbon dioxide in the cold drink. Okay, that is also 1 point I can consider. But how it will damage? Only carbon dioxide and preservative, they will damage. Do you think one more important is there in that ingredients? So carbon dioxide, it is present in less amount, and even preservative also in limited quantity, but highest quantity is present in one of the ingredient. Try to think which ingredient is present in highest quantity. Some are saying myth.
Wow.
And some are saying science. And 2 points I consider. One is carbon dioxide, presence of carbon dioxide, because carbon dioxide we are living outside. Since it is a harmful gas, we have to live outside. We should not take inside. And one more point I consider preservative.
Fantastic.
But these 2 points are less important. More important points or ingredients is present in that. So guess and tell me what is that ingredient present in that cold drink.
So guess, students, I am going to drink cold drinks. I like Pepsi. but I doesn't like drinking with more level, with more percentage of cold drinks. If I could drink more cold drinks, it affects to our health. So I don't want to drink with maximum percentage. Sir, how about you? Would you like to drink more amount of cold drinks, sir?
Cooling, I told it is limited quantity. So one comment I consider Savita Desai, madam, sugar.
Fine, sir. Fine, sir. Madam, this point is very applicable. This point is also very important.
Can you tell me one cold drinks, how many tablespoons of sugar it contains? If you drink one cold drink, maybe any company, you can consider any company cold drink. If you drink, how many tablespoons of sugar it contains?
Just whoever knows, just write your answer.
It contains caffeine. Balaji Raj. So all cold drinks will not contain caffeine. Few are there, they surely contain caffeine. But caffeine also allowed in limited quantity. If it exceed above the level, then that is also dangerous. It contains caffeine, that is also one valid point. So if you drink cold drink 2 to 3 tablespoon, so 2 to 3 spoon, it is less actually. Little bit more sugar is present in that cold drinks. If you drink one cold drink in one day, so you are going to intake about 7 to 8 tablespoon of sugar, which is very bad for your brain cells, because sugar, it is considered one of the white poison. Do you
Sure,
know what
sir.
are white poisons? I told sugar, why one of the white poison. Can you name other two white poisons? Correct, madam. Nearly 10 tablespoon. You can consider 7 to 8 tablespoon. So in general, and because of the preservatives and because of the maybe color and caffeine. So these all, if you consume daily, then it is going to harm your brain cells, sure. It is not a myth, actually it is a science. So if you consume that cold drink in limited quantity, maybe once or twice in a month, or in limited quantity, it is acceptable. If you go for daily consumption or a very alternative day consumption, it is going to damage your brain cells, and once brain cell damage means it will lead to dementia, memory loss, poor memory. You will not able to concentrate and you will not able to remember the things. So that is most important for students. So memory loss. So that's why if you are facing this memory loss, and you check out whether you are drinking cool drinks in limited quantity or unlimited quantity. So try to cut out that cold drink. It is not good. Can you suggest me alternative drink for cold drink in summer season? So tell me the alternative drinks for in summer season, which is very good for our health.
Sir, I would like to say one point, sir. I would like to go for tender coconut water. How do you feel, students? Tender coconut water is good. In Kannada, what do you say? Elaniru. You would like to go for, if I give you cold drinks at one side, sir will give you tender coconut water. Which one you like it?
Ananya Branda buttermilk. Good.
Wow,
Considered.
fantastic.
Tender coconut water considered, buttermilk considered. Any other juices are there in the summer other than cold drink, which will rehydrate your body and gives coolness. Plain water is also good.
Fantastic.
Coconut water is the sugarcane juice, very good. Sugarcane juice is also very
good.
It will increase your energy level. Okay. Previously, I asked one question, white poisons, and madam has replied maida, salt are also some white poisons considered.
Fantastic.
So these
madam.
are called white poisons, maida, salt, and sugar. And why they are called white poisons means they are white in color and they are harming our body. So that's why we consider they are all white poison. They should be in limited quantity in everyday use.
Sir, suppose in case if we consume more amount of sugar items, then are you whether we are going to find toxicity in our body?
Yes, even toxicity and overweight. Surely you are going to increase your belly fat. If you are going to drink cold drinks every day, so it will increase your body weight due to high sugar content, and even it will damage our brain cells. So if you habituated to drink cold drinks, and alternative of that already you commented all, so you can consider coconut water, sugarcane
Buttermilk.
juice, buttermilk, lassi, lemon juice.
Fantastic.
So why we discuss with this topic is because this is summer season. Knowingly or unknowingly, we are going to drink that cold drinks. So we'll now onwards we'll avoid that cold drink and we'll go for body rehydrating drinks. So just now we discussed they all are body rehydrating drinks.
Okay, fine, sir. We have called out our students to attend one important competition.
So coconut water, it's good sir. 10 coconut गन्ने का जूस बड़ा ग्लास
Yes,
सिर्फ
yes.
20 रुपए.
Yes, yes, yes. Fantastic, lovely answer. Uh, students, fine, fantastic response, fantastic comments from all students. So we are very much happy to receive your comments.
One more I want to discuss. Again, it is one of the controversial topic. Tamarind trees are called haunted trees. Have you heard this? Tamarind trees are called haunted trees. Can you tell me why? It is myth or science?
Sir, repeat that statement once again, sir.
Tamarind trees are called haunted trees. So it is statement. You need to tell me myth or science. If it is a myth, we'll leave here only. If it is science, then you need to explain the science. Science. Okay.
Any 1 or 2 points.
Explain science behind it. Carrot and cucumber juice also very good.
Good, very good.
Yes, because they release carbon dioxide at night. Do you know, compared to other trees, tamarind trees will release highest quantity or lowest quantity of carbon dioxide?
Students, you might have seen our one video which says about Hunsamer of facts. If I am going to stand below the tamarind tree, I find suffocation. Why do I find suffocation?
Even some studies say that even it will interfere with your brain hormones and you behave like mad if you sitting or standing or sleeping for longer duration under the tamarind tree. It will even interfere your hormones and you'll start behaving like a mad. One study suggested. Can you tell me what may be the reason? One reason already discussed it. We'll discuss this, we'll finish this and we'll go for
Quiz competition.
quiz competition.
And this is last statement. As we are going to discuss about this fact, then we'll move on to quiz competition. If I could stand below the tamarind tree, then I am going to find suffocation. I will not able to respire properly, and I find problem. Why it happens? Any guesses, students?
So myth, they are not haunted. Yes, they are not haunted trees. It is a myth. But if it is a myth, then it is a science. Then what is the science behind it? Why it is called haunted tree? Because there is a lack of oxygen. Little bit you can elaborate why it is lack of oxygen. What might be the reason?
Yeah, you are very near to the question.
Lack-
90% you are near to the question. Little bit.
Lacking of oxygen is correct answer. And the little bit you elaborate why lacking oxygen. Balaji Raj, science it is, but you should explain the science.
Okay, fantastic question. You might have seen, students, you might have seen the size of the tamarind leaves. And banyan tree leaves are very broad. and tamarind leaves are very short, and where the rate of photosynthesis declines among tamarind leaves or else banyan leaves. Among banyan leaves always we find maximum rate of photosynthesis, but among tamarind leaves we find rate of photosynthesis with a lesser percentage because of size. Am I right, sir?
Yes. See, if you see the tamarind leaves, the surface area we call surface area of the leaves is very less compared to other trees, and the leaves are also very densely attached to each other, where sunlight is difficult to reach.
Yes, sir.
And due to that two factors, because of less surface area of the leaves and sunlight is not able to reach properly, so there is less photosynthesis, and that leads to less production of oxygen. And of course, if you stand below the tree at night, you know very well, during night time plants will not do any photosynthesis, and if there is no photosynthesis, so there is no release of any oxygen. So highest percentage of carbon dioxide is present below the tamarind tree, and if you consume highest quantity of carbon dioxide, it will interfere with your body hormones, and that leads to difficulty in breathing, and even it will change your happy hormones, and it will interfere with that hormones, and you can behave like something shouting, or maybe abnormal behavior, and body heaviness like someone sitting on your shoulder. So that all leads to haunted place. And
Fine.
even psychological factor also plays a role. If you fix it in your mind, tamarind trees are haunted trees, and go and stand under the tamarind tree, so all incidents will happen like the devil is doing it. So don't scare, it is a science, they are not haunted trees. We already explained. If you want in detail explanation, go to our playlist scientific concept and watch that video. You are going to enjoy. So first half it is horrible, and finally second half I am going to explain you the science behind it. So two videos we made on
And
the scientific
recently you uploaded one video,
Yeah.
no, sir?
Recently we uploaded so haunted house. So it is
There was the money.
also based on scientific facts, how the people will cheat you. If you know the science, you are going to understand that cheating at you, and if you don't know the science, of course you are going to believe that all words only, you are going to lose your money, so you will not get any proper solution. So you watch that video, that short movie actually it is, and in future we are planning to bring a few more scientific concepts which are using by the other mantravazis to earn the money. So you should be aware of these all things in this future 21st century. So science is using scientific concept are using everywhere, so they can fool you very easily. So watch that movie also, and you can comment with your name, your school name, and your location also you can comment, so you can get back to you and you can thank.
Fine. Let's begin quiz competition. Are you ready, students? We are going to start a quiz competition, and sir is going to highlight rules and regulation of that quiz competition. Good luck to you all. NavinRaj Teachers Media welcomes you all and wishes you all good luck.
Sir, any comments on Pakistan breaking ceasefire? So, being a citizen of India, we should look after all the incident happening in our country. So, everyone knows what happening in the border. So, already Prime Minister clearly said that if they fire one bullet, and in return we too going to fire with same amount of bullets or same amount of bombs or whatever they are using, same we are going to give the reply. If they break, so we are also going to break, so no doubt about it. So generally that war is not considered, because everyone knows who is the winner. So there is no comparison between India and Pakistan. So very clear winner is India only. So no doubt about it. So being a citizen of India, we should support, we should stand.
Fantastic. Welcome to quiz competition. Sir, just a brief out about rules and regulations, sir.
So I'll try to send in this chat section. So one Balaji Raj, sir, ask your next question. I'm so excited. So we'll ask questions, but what happens is it will consume lots of time. So better we'll make one video which are very interesting topics, and next time we'll come on the live with a few more interesting topics on the science that all are debatable
And quiz competition and even
concept.
presentation, PowerPoint presentation, many more things are there, sir.
Mm.
But the time will be less, my dear students. So now we would like to move for conducting quiz competition.
So I'll try to share that Google form link in this chat section. Otherwise, we'll send it in the school groups or teachers group, and you can open that link and fill your name, your class, and your location mainly. Maybe Hubli, Karnataka, like that location, which location you belong to. So that you fill the form, and next you attempt 15 questions. So
Sir,
all
how
are,
much time you have to give, sir?
so usually I used to give 1 minute for one question. So since it is the first time, I'll give you 20 minutes for attempting 15 questions, and first 5 minutes you can use for filling your form, your name and your location, your class. So take your own time, fill the form carefully, and attempt the questions. All are science based questions. Some questions are direct, that is simple questions, and some are medium questions, some are tough questions. So since it is a first quiz, so we'll consider it easy or moderate type of questions and attempt it. Submit your response, and we'll come to know who is the topper, and first 3 toppers we are going to distribute certificate through your email ID. So kindly fill email ID also while attempting the quiz. It is compulsory. If you fill the email ID, then only it will allow you to attempt. So we'll try to send in the chat section. If not possible, we'll make the arrangement to send in your class groups. You have all the contacts, so I will send. So we'll try to send in the chat box and attempt, and we'll come to know who is the winner. And for top 3, first, second, third, so we're going to give you the send certificate through your email ID. Yes, who are to attempt? How many of you want to attempt that quiz? So it will enhance your scientific skills, and few questions are very interesting. You are going to learn them.
See, students, all are talented. Only one thing, everybody have their hidden knowledge. Just utilize that hidden knowledge. You are going to come out with colorful answers. So execute that hidden talent and come out with right answers and attend quiz competition.
Okay. So certificate will get only certificate, and prize means you are going to get the knowledge. Okay. So knowledge, free knowledge you are going to get. So we'll try to send. We'll pause the live session, and we'll come back within 5 minutes with that Google form link. Wait and watch.
Just 5 minutes rest. Within 5 minutes, we'll come back. We'll join once again.